Welcome to the Golden Ladle, the home cooking channel. Let's make the extremely tasty and highly nutritious green omelette. For this, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and add 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilies. Let them brown on a slow flame. Doing this infuses the oil with the chilies, which enhances the taste of the dish. Now add 1 cup of sliced onions and saute. Cover and cook for 2 minutes till the onions turn translucent. Now add 6 cups of chopped leafy greens. I have used spinach, amaranth leaves, mint and coriander. Now add the salt. Spinach is high in potassium salts and has a naturally salty taste, so use salt sparingly. Leafy greens must always be cooked on a medium to low flame to retain their nutrition and taste. Cover it and cook for 5 minutes. The quantity reduces to less than half. The water seeps out as it cooks. Do not discard it as it is full of electrolytes. Keep cooking it on a low flame till the water evaporates. Now add half teaspoon of red chili powder. I am making it as a mildly spicy dish. If you want it spicier, you can add 1 teaspoon of chili powder instead. Now cook it on a low flame till the excess water evaporates. Keep it aside in a bowl till it cools. And add 4 whole eggs. Now heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and add the egg mixture. Cover and cook on a medium to low flame for 10 minutes. And it's done. There is no need to cook it on the other side as the heat does the job. To be sure if it is cooked, you can always use the toothpick or the knife test. I have added some paneer crumble seasoned with salt and cumin powder to go along with it and to add a dash of protein. Also, a quick salad and a yogurt dip or mayonnaise brings the dish together and drives away your pizza cravings for the day. Let me know if you like the dish in the comments below, and do share the video with your friends and family and subscribe to the channel. I will meet you again with another delicious recipe. Until then, take care.